We'll guide you through how to download and install Snapchat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Snapchat is a highly popular social media app. On it, you can go and send videos and photos to people as snaps. You can chat with people and post on your story as well for others to go and look at. So it's really great to go and have. You may already have an account or you may need to create one. You can do it all in the app. So to go and get started, you need to go and have Wi-Fi or a mobile or cellular data connection. You need internet essentially. Now go and open up your phone store. I'm doing this on an Android, so we've got the Play Store here. But if you're doing this on an iPhone, you've got the App Store or a different store. Then you can go and browse apps for Snapchat, but I found the best way is to go and press search at the bottom and press search at the top. And then we can go and type in Snapchat like so. And as you can see here it is. We can then go and tap on it. You can go and press install here, or you can press install to the right here. And you can then go and wait. It shouldn't take too long to download, but it will go and vary depending upon your internet speeds. Go and wait. And it shouldn't be much longer. It's now installing. When it's finished, where it says cancel, it's going to go and change to open. So you can go and open it from here, but also you can go and swipe up. And you can go and see that it's there. You may need to swipe across to find it. You can tap and hold your finger on it and add it to home if you want to easily use it. Then you can tap on it and you'll then need to go and sign up, or you can log in. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.